Hello and welcome. So far, we've learned how to have expert conversations with an AI. Today, we're going to learn how to program our own. This session is all about creating custom GPTs, moving from simply prompting an AI to building your own specialized AI assistants. Here is our agenda for today. We'll begin with a quick recap of our journey from basic prompts to advanced workflows. We'll then identify a very practical problem, the inefficiency of the copy-paste workflow for recurring tasks. The solution, as we'll see, is the custom GPT. We will deconstruct the GPT builder, looking at its four key components: instructions, knowledge, capabilities, and conversation starters. The main part of our session will be a hands-on workshop where we will each build an SEC filing analyst GPT. Finally, we'll conclude with the key takeaways on how you can use this skill to build a whole fleet of personal AI assistants. Let's quickly recap the powerful toolkit we've built so far. We learned the persona pattern to tell the AI who to be. We learned the few shot pattern to show the AI what we want the output to look like. And we learned the chain of thought and recipe patterns to tell the AI how to think and execute complex workflows. The next logical evolution in our journey is to move from giving the AI these instructions every single time to building those instructions directly into the AI itself. This brings us to a very real-world problem, the repetitive prompt. Imagine you need to analyze a company's budget variance every single month. Right now, your process probably involves opening a new chat window, finding and copying your carefully crafted 500-word recipe prompt, pasting it in, then pasting in the new month's data and running the analysis. You have to do this every single month. This workflow is inefficient and it's prone to error. There has to be a better way. And that better way is the custom GPT. A custom GPT is a personalized version of ChatGPT that you create for a specific purpose. It allows you to save a complex set of instructions and even upload specific knowledge so that your specialized AI is ready to go anytime you need it. A great way to think about this is like creating a new app on your phone. Instead of opening a generic web browser for everything, you open a specialized weather app or a maps app. With a custom GPT, you can create your own specialized apps like an audit memo drafter, a financial ratio calculator, or a tax code interpreter. When you create a custom GPT, you are essentially programming its core behavior using four key components. The first is the instructions, which is the brain of your GPT. This is where you write your master prompt, including the persona, rules, and processes. The second is knowledge, which is your GPT's personal library. You can upload files like PDFs or text documents that your GPT can read and reference. Third are the capabilities. These are the tools your GPT can use, like browsing the web or, most importantly for us, running Python code for data analysis, and finally, conversation starters. These are just pre-canned prompts that make it easy for you or others to start a conversation with your new tool. The instructions field is where all of our previous lessons come together. This is where you will write one detailed master prompt that your GPT will remember and follow forever. Let's look at an example for a financial ratio analyst GPT. As you can see, the instructions start with a clear persona. You are to act as an expert financial analyst. It then gives a very specific step-by-step process using the chain of thought pattern, telling the AI to state the formula, perform the calculation, present the results in a table, and provide a summary. Finally, it sets the tone. This master prompt programs the AI's entire behavior. The knowledge feature is what makes custom GPTs absolutely essential for professional use. This feature allows your AI to analyze information that is not on the public internet. For accountants, the use cases are endless. You can upload a company's 10K report in PDF format to have the AI analyze specific sections. You could upload an Excel file with trial balance data for analysis. Or you could upload your firm's internal travel and expense policy and have the AI act as a compliance checker for expense reports. For example, once a 10K is uploaded, you can simply ask, using the provided 10K report, what are the key risk factors mentioned? Now, it's time for our hands-on workshop. Our goal is to each create a custom GPT that is designed to analyze a public company's 10K report. The first step will be to write your master prompt in the instructions field. Give it a persona, like you are an expert SEC filing analyst, and a process, such as your task is to answer questions based only on the provided knowledge files. The second step is to provide the knowledge. You'll go to a public company's investor relations website, download their most recent 10K, and upload that PDF file. Step 3 is to create some conversation starters to act as shortcuts, like summarize the MD, A section, and finally, step 4 is to test your new GPT in the preview pane. Let's summarize what we've accomplished today. Custom GPTs allow you to operationalize all of your prompting skills, turning a complex set of instructions into a permanent, reusable tool. The instruction section is where you will embed the persona, chain of thought, and recipe patterns that we've learned. The knowledge feature is a true game changer, allowing you to create experts on your own proprietary or specific documents. With this skill, you can now move beyond simply using AI to building a fleet of specialized AI assistants, each designed to make you more efficient and accurate at a specific accounting or finance task.